Yeah, I know that. It's all taken care of, sir. You don't have to worry so much, man. Consider it done, sir. Within a week's time. Yes, sir. Bye. Sharpshooter's becoming a big deal. It's gotta be taken down. It's my responsibility to do it.
Dude, where are you at? Do you want this new gun or not? Well, you better hurry up because I'm already illegal in 6 states. I think the cops are starting to know where I'm at again. Wait a second. Do you even got the dough? Alright. Well, hurry up. For real.
Ooh, got you right where I want you. Put your gun down. Hands on your head. Get down. Get down.
Over my dead body.
Put your weapon down. Your gun selling days are over, sharpshooter.
What's that?
Really? You're gonna make a phone call right now?
Hey, man. I think the deal's off.
It's for everybody that's kids that go.